So welcome back everyone. In this video we will write a program to execute this particular expression. Okay, so we have this expression a minus b by c into d plus e into f plus g. Okay, so we have to write a program to execute this particular expression. So for considering an example, let's give the values of a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 4, d equal to 5, e equal to 15, f equal to 2 and g equal to 3. Okay, so there are two possibilities, right? So either you can do this division first, so that is b by c, so that will be 20 by 4, and then you multiply with 5, or it could also be you multiply c into d and then this division comes. Okay, so that will be based on the operator preference, whichever operator c decides to do first. Okay, so the operator precedence, I'm not going to explain it here, you can look it up, but as per the two possibilities, these are the values we are going to opt in. Okay, so I leave it to you to calculate and see the based on the result that we are going to see on the in from our C program. You can see which possibility or which was the operator that was done first by the C compiler. Okay, so let's start writing the code. So we are already in the C tutorial folder, so I just create a new file. So that's our code 4 sorry, so code 4.c, and let's see if, yeah, so we have created the file over here, and now let's just open it up. So we have the code 4 over here. Okay, so we start writing. So the first thing we do is we have to write the command. So program to execute the expression, we'll just write the expression as it is. So that was a minus b by c into d plus e times f plus g. Okay, so that was the expression that we need to execute. Okay, so we'll then write the header files. One second. Yeah, so we write the header file, so that's hash include stdio.h, and then we write the main function. Okay, so here we'll need some variables to store these values of a, b up to g. Okay, so that means we need 7 variables, and let's assume that we are going to give only integer values. Okay, so just let's first write that. So int, let's just name it abcd itself. So a comma b comma c d e and f, right? So sorry, g also. So these are the variables that we need from the user, and now we need to calculate the value of that, right? So for that, since there is division involved, maybe we get a decimal value or float value. Okay, so I just write the float val. So this is where I will store the value calculated from the expression. Okay, and now let's get the values from the user. So printf enter the values of, so these values over here, so I'll just copy paste it. So enter the values of a to g, right? And just will start entering from a new line. And now we need to get it from the user, so scanf, and then we need 7 values, right? So percentage d, again %d. Okay, so we'll just copy paste it. So 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So we need 7 values, integer values, and then we need the mention the variables where we will be storing it, right? So and a comma and b, we'll just copy paste again. So we have one for C, now D, E, F and G, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So we'll close the, or we'll put the semicolon over there, and then we calculate the value, right? So val equal to, we need to execute this particular expression, so I just copy paste from there only. Okay, semicolon. So that should be the calculation part, and now we can just print the final value, right? So printf the value equal to, and this is a float that we are printing, so you have to do %f, and we'll just give a new line character and we give the value of val, right? And the final line return 0. So that should be our program. We should be good to go. Let's compile and see. So we write gcc code4.c. okay, there was no error. And now let's just run the executable a.out. So we have to give the values of a, b, c, d, e, f, g. Okay, so I'll give the same values which we saw earlier. So that was, let's just check it once. 10, 20, 4, 5, 15, 2 and 3. Okay, so 10, 20, 4, 5, 15, 2 and 3. Okay, so the value is coming to 0. Okay, the value printed is 0. So first I suggest that you try to find the values of both these possibilities and try to figure out which possibility was executed. Okay, and yeah, with that we'll stop this video. Thank you for watching.